Hey, what's up, Charter fam? We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin right now. We know Bitcoin, it came down yesterday. It was kind of really flirting with that 70 mark yesterday. Today, it's sitting at that 69,957. So it's pretty much in the same spot where it was. You guys can take a look at it here. This is gonna be the 4-hour chart. It's pretty much just kind of ranging here, just doing a little up and down thing. You know what happens after it ranges? It's most likely going to shoot its way up. Okay, we're imagining something like this, something like that, or don't put all your eggs in one basket. It could go down. It's crypto, but it's Bitcoin, you know, it's most likely gonna go up. But it's just a fact of when, you know. But it looks pretty good, still looking good out there. Bags are still looking fat. Today's video, I want to take a look at Nettensor. I know there's some bigger YouTubers out there who have already covered this token very extensively, but as I was taking a look at some charts and searching around and all that. Now, first thing is I hope that this is the correct Nettensor, okay? Which I think it is. It has an $8 million market cap. Liquidity is about almost a mil. Okay, let's see. 24-hour volume is about almost 800K. This is running a 66 out of 99 on the DEX. Buy and sell is 5%. Nettensor's enabling AI infrastructure on blockchain. I'm very sure you guys already know about this project, so we're just going to take a look really fast. This is going to be their website, enabling AI infrastructure on blockchain. AI infrastructure encompasses the hardware, software, and networking elements that empower industries in effectively develop, deploy, and trash. Enabling AI infrastructure on blockchain. Let's see, it encompasses the hardware, software, and networking elements that empower industries to effectively develop, deploy, and manage artificial intelligence projects in a decentralized way. Okay, so you guys can come and check this out on your own, but to get all the information on the project and all that good stuff. But what I was taking a look at, the reason I actually decided to turn the camera on was because of the chart. Okay, these days, I mean, considering the liquidity cycle is almost in full blown, well, you know, maybe in the beginning of it, close to the middle. You know, narratives and all that stuff, I mean, you know, it has its place, but it, you know, less matters, you know, just a little, because people are just seeing charts like this and they're like, oh, look, it's all the way down to the ground. And they're buying into these projects, regardless of what the website looks like, what the Twitter's doing, any of that. But we were taking a look at this chart. Thought that this was really interesting here. Okay, there's always that chance that it could blow through the floor, but it's still a good ways up. It doesn't really look it, but if we kind of whoop the chart out, okay, it's a bit up from the ground still, but you shouldn't really try to time the bottom anyway. I mean, unless you're going to sit here and continuously pay attention to this chart. If you watch this chart all the time, there's a chance you could probably get pretty close to the bottom, but I wouldn't really suggest trying to play it all the way to the bottom, because there's a chance that it might not go. You know what I mean? But from here, though, it's looking pretty get-inable. Let's say that, all right? Its ATH is about 62 cents. So if we just do one of these basics here, just do something like this, have a little fun with it, okay? Should give it a little bit more room, but it's all good. And I mean, we probably should let this have his respect. Give the low his respect, okay? So, and you can pretty much, you know, put a box somewhere in the middle here. So, just for shits and giggles, without looking at it too much and putting too much on it, just do something like this. So, you can kind of take a look. It's at 8 cents right now. So 8 cents to 60, what was that? 61 cent? It's a pretty good upside. But I just like this chart. Looked pretty good. It looked really nice. If you get in here, I mean, no one's saying that it might not keep going to the downside. Okay? Because there's always that chance. You know, it could do something like this and then just start working its way down like this, and then work its way up, and next thing you know, it's down through the ground a little bit further. Look at it, you know, from a wide picture on the 4 hour, it looks like it's in a downtrend. It looks like it's actually trying to kind of you know, reverse from that downtrend. Okay, it looks that way. Okay, I really would keep my eyes on this chart, considering it looks like it's still coming down. It looks like it's still coming down a little, so you really got to keep your eyes on it. But let's get some more specifics on it. Let's go a little lower down in the charts, get like a little bit more of a more specific time frame of like what's going on like right now. Okay, this is going to be the 5-minute chart, which is just giving me no respect here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, it's doing nothing but pretty much trading sideways here. So it had a nice little run from that 4 cent mark all the way to that 8 cent mark. So that's a pretty good run. That's a pretty good run. Let's go ahead and kind of measure that up a little bit. Okay, it's almost about 80%. Had a nice little run, and now it's kind of trading across. And if you look right here, look at these last couple of bars. It's kind of looking like it's trying to pull. So I'm imagining it's looking like it's kind of it's trying to pull. I mean, it would have been nice to get in around this 4 cent mark, but we weren't paying attention to the chart then. But yeah, that's looking good for right now. So that's Nettensor. I know you wait till like the middle of the night. Like if I was to get in Nettensor, I mean, I'd probably wait till around maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. And then, you know, a gas fee is probably be about 20 bucks, 25 bucks or something like that. Sometimes you can catch them, like one night they were like 12 bucks, you know, 13 bucks. So it wasn't that bad, you know, but these fees, they're irritating. So I basically been looking into starting to run on the base side of life, because there's a lot of good potential on base. I'm still doing my research on it, but you know, I'm trying to actually figure out how to work it all out. Okay, so anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What do you guys think about Nettensor? Nettensor is enabling AI infrastructure on blockchain. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.